The real causes of hair loss. Understanding hair loss in men and women. Hair loss is a common concern that affects both men and women. We often see our hair as a symbol of beauty, health, and confidence. When hair starts thinning or falling out, it can be a cause for concern. While some hair loss is natural as we age, rapid or excessive hair loss could signal deeper issues in the body. From hormonal imbalances to poor circulation, various factors can disrupt the hair growth cycle, leading to unwanted shedding. Your hair is made up of keratin, a hard protein formed from dead cells. Healthy hair grows from hair follicles, giving your hair a thick and full appearance. However, when something is wrong inside the body, hair growth cycles can be disrupted. In this article, we'll explore the main causes of hair loss in men and women and how to reverse it with natural remedies. 1. Hormonal imbalance. High DHT. One of the most common causes of hair loss is an imbalance in hormones, particularly a high level of dihydrotestosterone, DHT. DHT is a byproduct of testosterone that binds to hair follicles, causing them to shrink and stop producing new hair. This results in a receding hairline or bald patches, especially in men. Women can also experience thinning hair all over the scalp due to excess DHT. 2. Zinc deficiency. Zinc plays a critical role in blocking the conversion of testosterone into DHT. A zinc deficiency can lead to hair thinning because your body lacks the minerals needed to regulate this hormone. You can boost your zinc intake by consuming foods like beef, oysters, and pumpkin seeds, or by taking a zinc supplement. Be sure to pair zinc with copper, as they work together to balance mineral levels and prevent hair loss. 3. Poor blood flow. Another key factor in hair loss is poor circulation. When blood flow to the scalp is restricted, your hair follicles aren't getting enough oxygen and nutrients. This can lead to thinning hair or bald patches. Poor circulation is common in people who are overweight or have conditions like diabetes. To improve blood flow, you can increase your nitric oxide levels by consuming foods like watermelon, beets, and celery. Exercise is also a great way to boost circulation. 4. Digestive problems, malabsorption. A healthy digestive system is crucial for absorbing the nutrients needed for hair growth. If you suffer from digestive issues like bloating, indigestion, or acid reflux, your body may not be absorbing vitamins and minerals efficiently. This can lead to hair loss. To support your digestion, consider using remedies like apple cider vinegar, digestive enzymes, and eating fermented foods like sauerkraut and kimchi. 5. Microbe imbalance, dandruff. An imbalance of microbes on the scalp can lead to hair loss, especially when caused by overuse of chemical-laden hair products. Malassezia, a type of fungus, naturally lives on the scalp but can become problematic when there's an overgrowth. This can cause dandruff, itching, and inflammation, which blocks the hair follicles. Opt for natural shampoos free of harsh chemicals to help restore balance to your scalp. 6. High stress. Chronic stress is another major cause of hair loss. High levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, can disrupt the hair growth cycle, pushing hair follicles into the resting phase, where they eventually fall out. Stress-related hair loss can happen suddenly and is often triggered by emotional stress, illness, or lack of sleep. Reducing stress through mindfulness, yoga, or relaxation techniques can help maintain a healthy head of hair. 7. Leaky gut syndrome. If you are losing hair in patches, it could be linked to an autoimmune condition called leaky gut syndrome. This occurs when the lining of your intestines becomes damaged, allowing toxins to leak into the bloodstream. This can trigger inflammation and cause the immune system to attack hair follicles. Healing your gut with supplements like L-glutamine and probiotics, and avoiding inflammatory foods like gluten and dairy, can help reverse this condition. 8. Thyroid problems. Thinning hair that happens evenly across the scalp can sometimes indicate a thyroid issue. An underactive thyroid, hypothyroidism, can slow down the body's metabolic processes, leading to hair loss. If you suspect a thyroid problem, speak with a doctor for a blood test and consider supporting thyroid health with foods rich in iodine and selenium. How to stop hair loss and promote hair growth. Now that we've explored the causes of hair loss, let's dive into some natural remedies to help stop hair loss and promote thicker, healthier hair. 1. Eat trace mineral-rich foods. Incorporate foods rich in zinc, iodine, and selenium, such as beef liver, oysters, Brazil nuts, and sea kelp. These minerals help balance hormones and support hair growth. 2. Use rosemary oil. Massaging rosemary oil into the scalp 3 times a week has been shown to block DHT and stimulate hair growth. Apply it at night, leave it on, and wash it off in the morning. 3. Improve blood flow. Boost nitric oxide levels by eating berries, green tea, and nitrates from vegetables like beets and arugula. Exercise regularly to improve circulation to the scalp. 4. Increase protein intake. Your hair is made up of protein, so ensure you are consuming enough amino acids like lysine and methionine. Good sources include eggs, red meat, and cheese. 5. Filter your shower water. Install a shower filter to remove fluoride from tap water, which can disrupt thyroid function and cause hair loss. Switch to sulfate-free shampoos to avoid damaging your hair. 6. Strengthen your digestion. Support your digestive system with fermented foods like kefir and pickles. These help improve nutrient absorption, which is essential for hair growth. Conclusion. Hair loss can be a distressing experience, but understanding the underlying causes can help you take the right steps to reverse it. Whether it's a hormonal imbalance, nutrient deficiency, or poor circulation, addressing these issues with the right nutrition and natural remedies can lead to healthier, fuller hair. Be sure to monitor your overall health and consult a doctor if your hair loss persists or worsens. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.